Hello guys, my name is Lauren. Today I want you to come with me and let's harvest the moringa leaves. So because today I decided to cook tinola or chicken soup with moringa here in a cold climate country. So for all you know, when it comes to zoning, we have here zone 5A. So the temperature drops in winter very low. So come, let's harvest the moringa leaves for our chicken soup and watch out that later. So guys, here we are. Alas, I'm going to harvest my own moringa leaves here in cold climate country like Germany. I can't believe it, or maybe you can believe it also. So if you have some questions about growing moringa in a cold climate like Germany, please don't hesitate to comment below and let's talk about it. I'm not an expert, just want to share uh, my experience of growing this moringa. um, yeah, and I'm also excited to eat our national tinola Philippine soup, chicken soup called tinola. But I don't have enough ingredients like papaya, green papaya. But it will gonna be okay with moringa. And moringa has lots of vitamins and minerals. That's what I've heard. And yeah, please watch out for the the how I cook traditional Ilocano or northern Philippine chicken soup recipe. Um, it may be different from others, but um, my style of cooking is a family tradition of cooking. So please watch for the video. And yeah, I've shown you also from the my last video that this moringa has flower buds already. So yeah, I remember last year this moringa, this tall one, has also flowers, but it lost its leaves already and only flowers left. And they are in the basement, and they were in the basement, and it does it doesn't produce fruits, of course. There's no pollinators in there, and yeah. So guys, I have it, and next is cooking the tinola. Please watch for it. So guys, after harvesting the moringa, it's time to, what do you think? It's time to cook chicken soup. So guys, I'm here in the kitchen and removing the moringa leaves from its stem, and this is very easy to do. Voila, I'm done. And I also have here sliced ginger and onions. I only use here 2 ingredients. It's not that we don't have garlic in Ilocos, where my recipe originated. We have also lots of garlics in Ilocos, but since this is my family traditional recipe, I I always do the same like how my parents did it before. So this pot is already hot, and I'm putting ginger and the onions on the bottom so that they will going to roast, um, because this recipe don't have oil to saute those ingredients. um, yeah, and then after you smell the aroma of the ginger and the onions, you can put the chicken, and be sure that the skin part of your chicken will going to touch the bottom of the pot so that the oil will come up or come out later. So just like that, just like that. My family believes that this style of cooking tinola eliminates the fishy aftertaste of the tinola soup. So that's why wherever we go, we cook this way. Um, and then I'm going to put fish sauce. But if you don't have fish sauce, or if you're not allowed to use fish sauce, then just put salt. So, but fish sauce adds aroma to your soup. That's why I'm using fish sauce. And while cooking, you can just turn your meat so that all the sides we're going to saute or fry a little bit, or fry from its own oil, just like that, as you can see. Mm-hmm. If you put the soup on your raw, very raw chicken meat, that's the time that it will create the fishy aftertaste of it. So if you like a very good tinola, then wait until your tinola cooked a little bit, just like that, just like this. um, there's only the chicken oil in the bottom of the pot, and this is the time to put your water to cook your chicken soup. um, it's already somehow cooked, only the outside of the chicken, but the inside of it, it's not yet cooked. So we wait until it's cooked. Maybe this is around 25 to 30 minutes cooking, if you don't pressurize it, just like what I did. This is a pressure cooker, but I didn't use the pressure. Now the chicken is cooked. Taste it. If not enough taste in it, just add salt. Just add salt. And also, this is the time that you can put your leafy vegetables. You can put anything you like. You can put bok choy. If you don't have moringa, you can put bok choy leaves, or napa cabbage, or ampalaya leaves if you have, or chayote leaves. You can put any leaves that you like, or seasonal leaves that you have with this tinola recipe. And yeah, and you only cook moringa leaves very fast, and this will not gonna take 2 minutes, I think, because they are thin and somehow a little bit succulent. And just submerge them in boiling soup so that they will going to cook. and then taste it. You know, if the moringa leaves taste no spicy taste anymore, it's cooked. So I'm gonna taste it. It's perfect. So we're done. I'm done cooking the tinola. So just like that, that's my family traditional tinola. Oh, by the way, if you have papaya, green papaya, you can put papaya also. But since I'm in Germany, I don't have papaya. Or can put also sayote. Chayote if you have. So guys, I'm done. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like the video, and I hope you can also grow your own moringa in your backyard or in the pots and bring it um, inside during winter time. So again, thank you so much for watching. This is Lauren. I love you all. God bless you all. Take care everyone. Bye bye.